Break ID number 5776. 2019 Inception Baseball 2-box break. Combo spots based on hit count, which means no PC team bonuses. Go. That last Inception just sold out, so we'll add another 2-box right now. And there you go. Dennis Santana. Albie's second year, green parallel. Albie's second year base. Stanton. Jake Cave. Acuna, second year base. And auto to 225, Eniel De Los Santos. Phillies, Jory, WH. I think there's a redemption in there. For sale, green, a red behind it. Gleyber Torres, second year, red parallel to 75. Nice looking card. Juan Soto, second year. Luis Urias. Chris Sale. Dennis Santana. And redemption. Magenta parallel. Jalen Beeks. Rookie and Emerging Star Auto, Magenta Parallel. That goes to the Rays. Jory, WH. We can redeem that too. All right.